Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Google Meet, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you start a meeting from the Google Meet homepage? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to start a meeting directly from the Google Meet homepage? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you're going to be on a sales call, but it's going to be easier if you're face-to-face. So maybe you want to start a meeting immediately from the Google Meet homepage. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in this website, meet.google.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link there, but I'm here on the Google Meet homepage. Now, if you want to immediately start a meeting, you're going to click here on this blue button, new meeting. Once you do that, you're going to see these three options, and you want to click on this one, start an instant meeting. All right, once you do that, it's going to start loading up. Okay, immediately I am now in my Google meeting. Let me turn off my camera. It's kind of weird because there's two of me. Okay, so now we have the meeting started, and then to get the join link, you can copy this right here, and you can go ahead and text it or email it over to the other participants. Now, if they're on the Google Meet homepage themselves, they might ask you for the Google Meet code. So that's going to be these digits after the .com/. So the Google Meet join code is going to be TJVQRCTOVN. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to start a Google Meet meeting directly from the Google Meet homepage, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.